Hello, everyone. I'm Sara, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to combine adjectives that describe the experience or action and that describe your emotion or feeling.
Let's begin with the key points.
Describing the experience, what happened. Describing your emotions, how did you feel? Combining the two, what happened plus how you felt. Speaking practice. A simple story. Summary. Describing the experience, what happened. First, let's describe the experience itself. What was it like? Here are some common adjectives to describe experiences. Fun, boring, exciting, stressful, relaxing, difficult, amazing, long, fast, interesting. Examples. It was an exciting trip. The meeting was long and boring. The movie was fast and full of action. Describing your emotions. How did you feel? Now let's describe how you felt about the experience. Here are emotion adjectives you can use. Happy, tired, angry, frustrated, excited, nervous, calm, proud, bored. Examples. He was nervous before the interview. She was proud of her team. We were excited about the concert. Combining the two. What happened then, how you felt. Now let's put both types of adjectives together. We describe the experience and how it made us feel. Example. The flight was long and uncomfortable. I felt really tired afterwards. It was a fun birthday party. Everyone was happy and excited. The meeting was stressful. I felt nervous the whole time. You see, now your sentence has what happened and how you felt about it. Here's your guide. The experience was adjective. I felt emotion adjective. Let's try one more. The presentation was difficult, but I was proud when I finished it. Speaking practice. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. The class was interesting. I felt curious and focused. The traffic was terrible. I felt stressed and frustrated. The walk was peaceful. I felt calm and happy. A simple story.
Last weekend, I went hiking with my friends. The weather was beautiful and the trail was challenging but fun. At the end of the day, I was tired but also really proud and happy.
Did you hear the description? Challenging, fun. Experience adjectives. Tired, proud, happy. Emotion adjectives.
Summary. Let's review.
Use adjectives to describe an event or activity. Fun, boring, exciting, stressful. Use emotion adjectives to describe how you felt. Happy, tired, proud, nervous. Combine them to make strong, clear sentences. The meeting was stressful. I felt nervous. The trip was amazing. I was so happy. Well done. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.